Today I'm going to show you how I made this miniature sword fern. First, take a strip of green paper and fold it in half. Cut off the corners. And then cut small strips along the whole length of the leaf. Open the leaf up and then separate the sections with your finger. Take a thin strip of white paper and apply glue along the entire length. Glue the leaves onto the strip, starting from the smaller leaves moving to the larger ones. Add some more glue on top of the leaves. Roll the paper strip up, starting from the end with the shortest leaves. Now it's time to put it into the pot. First, I filled my pot up with cheap air-dry clay to give it a bit of weight. Cover the clay with craft glue and then dry soil. Push the fern down into the glue and then fill any gaps with more glue and soil. Once the glue is completely dry, you can bend and shape the leaves to make them look more natural. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like and subscribe.